So guys, for the first method, you're going to head over to search and type in view network connections. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to find your network adapter. You're going to double click on it. And then click on properties. And then click on Internet Protocol version 4. And then once you're on this, you're going to select both of the default options. So make sure that you have obtain an IP address automatically selected and obtain DNS server address automatically also selected. Keep it on the default and then click on OK. See if that works for you. For the second method, make sure that you have no active VPN or proxy server enabled right now. Make sure that it's turned off. For the next method, you're going to head over to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on other troubleshooters. Now you're going to find network and internet. Click on run. And now this will come up. If it detects anything, it will try to fix it for you. If that's still not working, for the next method, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Now you're going to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you're going to type in ipconfig space /flush DNS. Click on enter. And now you're going to type in netsh space winsock space reset. Click on enter again. Now you just want to restart your computer. And then the problem should be fixed.